Saturday, the 5th, right? 3rd, no, 4th, the 4th of March. Oh my gosh, Holly. I think the pollen here as everybody's complaining, it's like I had a hard time opening my eyes and dragging myself out of bed at 8 o'clock today, and that is 2 hours later than normal. So I'm like, it's got to be the pollen. It's crazy. Anyway, pollen or not, it's a beautiful day today. I did some gardening. I finally, I've had the pots outside my side door have been basically empty and just barren since the end of December. So I finally was motivated today to get some posies out there. So at least there's some color at the back doors or at the side door. And my trees out front, they're a little tired. They're little evergreens that are a little dry. Hopefully I can revive them and make them happy to be at my front door. We'll see. Got a couple things to show you today. I wanted to definitely tell you, just remind you about if you have knitting and crochet friends, it's sometimes fun to send them a knitting or crochet card. So this one is Bull Knit. These guys are $5. So Bull Knit, if you've got sort of an edgy friend. This is a thank you. So cute. Thank you, E-W-U, E-W-E. And then this is the puppy dog who got into the yarn, and he's saying, oh, knit. I think he's in trouble. And then these two cards are beautiful. Louise Price, which is one of my clients. She is an artist, and she has designed these cards, which are beautiful. So these guys are $6.95, but they're just, if you want a blank, beautiful card, these are it. Okay, just a little something extra that we have in the store. But I also want to show you a little spring yarn we got in. It's a Berroco yarn. It's called Zinnia. It's $9 a skein. It's DK weight, 20 to 21 stitches, and 125 yards. And it's a slub. It's got a little bit of a slub, and the slubs are colorful. So that we have it in black. We have it in this sort of celadon with a green and yellow slub, Zinnia. This is a powder blue gray sort of with a blue slub and an orangey slub and maybe a rusty colored slub. Then sort of a peach. This is just a twist with sort of a tan color. So that's the peach. This one is like sea glass color, a twist with the cream colored slub. You see it? This one is more blue, cream colored slub. Good neutral. It's, did I tell you what it was? 93 cotton and 7% nylon. So just a nice little shell for the summer or a summer shawl. This red is great. I like the red. And last but not least, the navy blue, which would make a great t-shirt for the summer. So anyway, we have that. Berroco Zinnia. It's only $9 a skein, 125 yards. DK weight. All right. I feel like I accomplished something today, my little bit of gardening. I have a violet that's been just beautiful, and it's been producing, and all of a sudden the outer leaves are sort of turning gray green, and the middle leaves are all lovely and happy and producing. So I'm like, think it's pot bound. So I'm going to take my extra soil, and maybe that'll be my project tomorrow. What do you think? Maybe. All right. Have a lovely, prayerful, peaceful, glorious Sunday. And I will definitely see you Monday.